Hi my dear students, today we start our grammar session, the present simple with he, she and it. Present simple means that the actions that repeated, the repeated action, that means the present simple. Okay, with he, she and it. Look at he, she and it. They are friends. He, she and it. He and she, those are three friends. They like S. They like S. So they always come with S to the verb. When I find he, I put S to the verb. She, add S to the verb. It, add S to the verb. They like S so much. Like when I say he play or he plays. The subject here he, and he likes S, he plays. She clean or cleans. She likes S, she cleans. It grow or it grows. It likes S. So he, she and it, they like S so much. So when I find the subject he or she or it, I choose the verb plus S. Okay, when I change the pronoun he into a name of a boy, like Adam. Adam like or likes pizza. Adam he, so he is a friend of S. Jana eat or eats. Jana she, and she likes S, so Jana eats. Okay, let's read this story about the present simple. My mother is a teacher. Is here present simple. Is, am, is, are, they are verb to be in present simple. My mother is a teacher. She teaches. I talk about my mother. She teaches English and she likes pizza. She likes. She cooks food. She loves her sisters. Look at the verbs. I add S to the verbs. Okay, here. My father works in a bank. Works in a bank. He comes home. He comes home late. He likes reading books. Okay. He, she, and it, they have another friends. They have does. They come with does and doesn't. So always does comes with he, she, and it, and doesn't comes with he, she, and it. But you know that does and doesn't, they don't like S. Does and doesn't, here they don't like S. When they come, they kick S out. When does and doesn't come, they kick S out. Let's see here. Here we have these sentences. He likes. I put S to the verb because I have he, and he is the friend of S. He likes milk. Emmy plays outside. It gets hot in the summer. It gets. I can't say it gets because I start with it. Your father reads. Your father he reads a book. He reads a book. Now, if I want to start with does, here to make a question, can I say, does he likes pizza? No. When does comes, what happens to S? Does will kick S out. Will kick S out. So it's going to be, does he like milk? I can't say likes because does kick the S out. Okay, next sentence. Does Amy, what happens to S? Does will kick S out. Does Amy play outside? And now it's a question, not a sentence. Okay, next sentence. Who can tell me? Read with me. Does it gets hot in summer, or does it get hot in summer? What happens? Does will kick S out. Okay. Your father reads a book. I want this as a question. I will start with does. Does your father read a book? And this is now a question. Okay, so when I start with does will kick S out from the verb. So does come with a verb in the infinitive means without S. Okay, let's see with doesn't. Okay, the sentence is here. It snows in winter. It snows. I add S to the verb because it, the subject here, it. She eats pizza. Harry, he plays outside. My father reads a story. I want these sentences to put doesn't here. Here, can I say it doesn't snows? No, I told you that does and doesn't, they don't like S. When they come, they will kick the S out. So here, it doesn't snows or it doesn't snow. Doesn't will kick S out. Okay. She doesn't eat. No, she doesn't eat. Doesn't will kick S out of the sentence. Kick S out. So she doesn't eat. Here, Harry doesn't plays. No, Harry doesn't play. Doesn't will kick S. My father reads a story. My father doesn't read a story. Now let's read the story again. My mother is a teacher. She teaches. Look at the verb. I read the verb in the red color. She teaches English and she likes pizza. She cooks food. She loves her sisters. She doesn't comes with she, but she will kick the S from the verb. She doesn't like burger. Does your mother like burger? Here I start with does, with she, but I kick S, the S from likes. Does your mother like burger? I can't say, does your mother likes? No. Okay, next story. My father works in a bank. Works. My father, he. My father works in a bank. He comes home late. He likes reading books. He doesn't like. So doesn't come with he. Doesn't come with he, with she, and with it, but will kick S after it. He doesn't like playing football. He sleeps at 9 p.m. Let's answer some questions here. It doesn't snow or snows? It doesn't. I told you that don't like S. That doesn't like S, so we'll kick S from the verb, so it doesn't snow. Okay, it gets hot in the summer. It gets. She wears or wear shoes. She's the subject, so the verb wears in the summer. She doesn't wear or doesn't wears boots. Doesn't wear, here the verb after doesn't comes without S, and here comes with S. Which one is correct? Doesn't wear, because doesn't kick S out. 4. Does Anna play outside? Anna means she. So does Anna play outside? Okay. It rains a lot in winter. It rains, the subject it, so add S to the verb. It get or gets warm? It gets warm. Okay. Do or does it snow in winter? Do it or does it? Does it? Does it? Does he? Does she? Okay. 8. It doesn't get or it get. Can I say it get? No, it has to be it gets. So it doesn't get. B. Does Emma sleep or sleeps? I start the question with does. I told you that does, what does do? Does kick S out. So I can't use it with S. I use the infinitive one. It don't or it doesn't rain. It comes with don't or with doesn't. Doesn't. Does Hannah drink milk? Yes, she does or yes, she is. Look at the question, starts with does. I ask you using does. So you have to answer using does. Do or does your father like pizza? Your father, he, comes with does. Does it get or gets cool in fall? Does it get? Because does kick S out. Let's rearrange or put these words, these sentences in order. 1. Get in does hot in fall. I want to put them in order. I start with does. What comes after does? Does it? Does he? Does she? So I choose does. What can I choose?